Today I'll be unboxing and trying out this brown blonde ash highlighted wig. But first I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So when you receive your wig, you're going to get it in a little bag just like this. And again, this is by the brand SapphireWigs. So let's take it out. So in your package, you will receive a wig cap. So that's nice that that is included. And here we have the wig itself. So I'm going to take it out of the package. See, it comes in a little net like this. Look at that nice wig. It is nice and soft. I'm actually able to run my fingers through the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It has this lace front. It does have 3 inches of lace front in the front side here. So you could see. Has combs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a closer look at that. It does have combs on all 4 sides. So it has them in the front, it has 2 here on the side and 1 on the back. Now it also has hooks. So it has these hooks right here to go ahead and tighten the wig if needed. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it inside out just to show you what the inside looks like. Nice and soft. And what I did like about this wig in particular is that you are able to style it in a variety of ways. So you could see. I'm going to show you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my wig cap on and then we're going to go ahead and try it out. All right, so the wig cap is on. Let me go ahead and get the wig. I like to start the wig by putting my forehead in first and then flipping it back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And once you have the wig on, you want to just go ahead and adjust it. You want to just go ahead and gently brush it out, brush out any tangles that might have occurred while you were putting it on or throughout shipping. But I do like that this wig is actually very, very soft. So you can see I'm running my fingers through it and it's not getting tangled either. I love the colors. So once you have the wig where you want it, you want to go ahead and remove this lace front part. But I just wanted to show you that hairline. Look at how natural that hairline looks. Look at that. So like I mentioned, you could style this in any side that you want. I love the colors. It definitely looks like a wig that you could wear out on a daily basis. So this wig is available in a variety of colors. If you've been looking for a lace front wig that looks natural, it is easy to put on, and it is good quality, then definitely check this one out. Also make sure to check out all the different colors that they have available. I'll link it down below for you, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.